Assalamualaikum and hi, I'm Izzati and welcome to Freehand Digital Illustration by Karyasini. Drawing illustration has been a passion for me and I have been doing this for years. I established Karyasini in hope I can utilize my skills more and it has been a success for me. The admiration of my artwork has been overwhelming and that is why I'm doing this course to give the knowledge to the learners and teach a step-by-step technique to develop your illustration style. I'm going to do an introduction of illustration, the application that we need to use and explain the features of it, and a step-by-step guide to designing illustrations such as the facial structure, the clothing, and the background. At the end of this lesson, you will gain a new knowledge on how to create a perfect illustration and learn to use the application I have introduced. So if you have any questions, don't be shy and hope this course will be helpful to you, and let's get to it.